Beautiful babes, welcome back to the channel. I am Sweet Angel and I'm so glad to have you here. Listen, today got something good for you. And every day I try to make sure I'm bringing you the things that you could use. But listen, if your skin has been feeling dry, tight, dull, tired, or maybe thirsty lately, especially if you are a beautiful babe of a certain age, today's little recipe, this simple rose water and glycerin facial mist, might become one of your favorite skincare secrets. Listen, if you have been hanging out with me on my lifestyle channel, Sweet Angel TV, I shared my week's worth of skincare routines that I've been doing day after day. And one of the items that I use a lot of is a hydrating mist. And guess what? I said, you know what? I don't have to buy another one. I can make my own. And I have. This mist helps my skin feel refreshed, soft, hydrated, plump, and glowing without spending a fortune. And the best part, it only takes a few simple ingredients, and I can make it right at home.
Walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried.
Yes, my beautiful babes. Today I am sharing my DIY rose water and glycerin hydrating facial mist. And it is perfect. It's perfect for mature skin. This is one of those simple old school beauty remedies that still works beautifully for dry, aging, menopausal, or mature skin. I especially love using this when my skin is looking tired, crepey, dehydrated, or lacking glow. Or, as I said earlier, I have several routines that I do for my skin throughout the week, and this hydrating facial mist fits right into that. So why don't I just show you how I make it? So 3 things that you need. First, let's talk about this rose hydrosol. This rose hydrosol here feels soothing and refreshing on the skin. Then we have vegetable glycerin. It's amazing because it actually helps attract moisture to the skin and helps my face feel soft, smooth, and hydrated. And then finally, just some purified water, which helps dilute everything perfectly so the mist feels light and refreshing. So what you have in here is a 1/3 cup of rose hydrosol, and this is just a continuous spray bottle which you can get from any local store. You can also get them on Amazon, and they are quite affordable. I have a larger bottle because, girl, I use it all the time, okay? All the time. So again, 1/3 cup of rose hydrosol. Then I added 3 tablespoons of glycerin, the vegetable glycerin, of course. And then I just added in 1/3 cup of the purified water. And this is what you have right here. And once everything is inside of the bottle and the lid is secured, just shake it up really well. Yes, that's all you have to do. And just make sure you shake it well before every use. And you know what the best part is? Oh my gosh. Ooh, so refreshing. That feels so refreshing and so hydrating on my skin. I love using this in the morning before moisturizer, throughout the day when my skin feels dry, and sometimes before bed for extra hydration. For mature skin, hydration is everything. As we get older, our skin naturally loses moisture, elasticity, and plumpness. That's why I focus so much on products and ingredients that help support hydration and glow. This mist helps my skin look fresher, softer, more radiant, smoother, and even more dewy, especially under makeup or on no makeup days. Now, beautiful babes, this is not Botox, and it's not a miracle cure for wrinkles, but healthy, hydrated skin can absolutely make the skin appear smoother, softer, and more youthful looking. All right, beautiful babes, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And please, if you have not subscribed to Beauty by Sweet Angel, here's your chance. Go ahead and do it now. And turn on those bell notifications because, listen, you don't want to lose this chick. Some of y'all lost me before and you was like, where that girl at? I am here. I'm right here. So make sure you turn on your bell notifications. Jot the name of the channel down, Beauty by Sweet Angel, so you can always remain in the know. And please leave me a comment letting me know if you've ever tried rose water and glycerin together before. And remember, beautiful babes, you are never too old to glow, shine, feel beautiful, or take care of yourself. Okay? I love y'all. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next video.
Lifting each other higher. Steam on.